Alright, this is video 2 of kind of the how to make a cool, awesome poster series. The first video shows you how to find the high definition posters, or the pictures, to use for your posters. And again, that's because we're using a custom slide here, one that's high def, that can then be printed into poster size and not look pixelated. So you've got a cool picture, you've got it in there, it goes with your quote or your verse. Now you need to get a font, or you take a font that you already have. Now I, as you can see, have downloaded a whole lot of fonts, like over 700 some, because I really like to spice things up a little bit and do creative things here and there. If you have a font in here already, that's cool, go for it. But I'm going to tell you that there's not a lot of cool ones usually that are in there to begin with. So I like to go find new fonts. So here's how you do it. Click into Safari, simply type in free fonts, go to one of those websites. You can search by category, by top fonts, whatever. Let's go to, yeah, we'll just click into here. Comic Cartoon. Comic Cartoon. How about Snacker Comic? That looks like a fun one. Click download. It's now on my screen. I'm going to double click it to unzip it. It's unzipped. I'll get rid of the zip file. Open up my folder. Now you can see there's all kinds of things in here. I don't need this anymore. This is just a picture of it. I don't need either of those. Those are just examples. I want the TTF file, or sometimes it's an OTF file, I think. So click on that. It'll look something like this. I'm going to grab that, put that on my desktop, close up that folder, delete that folder, get it out of there. And I need to go to my fonts folder. So I've already searched for it in my Finder. Looks like this. You can see all my fonts in there already. And then grab it, drag it in. Alright, now really important, it is not going to show up in Keynote yet until I quit out of Keynote. I need to quit out of Keynote, open it back up, and that registers the fact that there's a new font in the database. So I'm going to go right back in here, and let's just say I want to highlight this one word of courage. So what was the name of that font? Snacker, I think. So I'll click an S. I'm going to get down to the X section. Where are you, Snacker? There it is. Snacker. Boom. We'll make it a little bit bigger. We'll really highlight this word courage. Let's capitalize it all. There it is. We'll enter that down like so. I don't know. Something like that. I don't like that actually. Let's make it a little cleaner. Let's put courage on its own line. There we go. Yeah, let's make it even bigger here. Let's maybe change the color of it. Let's go with a, ooh, no, that doesn't look good. Ooh, red, that looks nice. Take courage, let's make it even bigger. Let's really highlight this sucker. Boom, take courage. Take courage. It is I. Do not be afraid. Actually, we're missing a comma here. So I'm going to put it right here. Make sure we get the grammar correct. Boom. Now I've got the location. That's a pretty boring font. So let's spice that up a little bit. How about this one? And we'll bigify it. And maybe let's change the color. That's kind of tough to see. So maybe let's shadow it a little bit. Let's see if that helps it out. Shadow. Ooh, there we go. Nice dark shadow behind it. All right. Something like that. Now I have a pretty cool poster. There's some different things I can do to it, but that's good enough. All right, from there, I just need to write a brief explanation on how my picture goes with my verse, or my quote. So really simple. This quote about taking courage is spoken by Jesus during the story of him walking on water. That's good enough.